Hi guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am excited to share with you my Tablescape giveaway. I shared with you guys the Dollar Tree table runner that I created. I loved it so much that I decided I would leave it on my table. And I think it goes really well with everything we've got displayed here. So what I want to do is share with you all the things that I encompassed on this Tablescape to create, I think, a glam fall Tablescape that those who love glam and bling would love this Tablescape. And so what I want to share with you is a few items that I have highlighted on this table. So let's take a look at this Tablescape. So guys, I wanted to start off with the Totally Dazzled napkin ring. How gorgeous is this? This is a rose gold napkin ring. I absolutely love it for fall. I think it's a perfect addition to this Tablescape. I will definitely put the link down below that if you are interested, that you'll be able to order it from Totally Dazzled. So you guys are familiar with this charger. It's from Pair One. You can get it from Pair One. You can get it from ZGallerie. Now, of course, you know ZGallerie will be a little bit pricier, but this one is from Pair One, and I want to say it was $12 for this charger. The plates came from, it's similar to the one from ZGallerie, but this one came from Home Goods, and absolutely love it because it has the glitter in it, all that shimmer going on. Fantastic. I love that. And so they come in brown, they come in the gold, and this is the rose gold. And I also have it in silver as well, which I decided that I wanted to mix the silver because of the silver shimmer with the rose gold, and then this is the silver all the way around. Love, love the combination of both. This little leaf plate also came from Home Goods. So all the plates, the entree plate, the dessert plates, or salad, came from Home Goods. The leaf plates as well came from Home Goods. Those, I want to say, for the set of 4 were $7.99. Fantastic. Absolutely love the price and love the quality of it. And of course, these little candle holders, we're all familiar with them, came from ZGallerie. And this is the Dollar Tree runner that we created together. Absolutely love. We also have the ZGallerie pumpkins, all 3 sizes. I must share with you on these tiny little pumpkins. Of course, I always want to have something display in the center of my plates. Could be the napkins or an apple or just something simple, even a flower. But I wanted for this place setting to have a pumpkin. And I wanted it to reflect the one that ZGallerie have, something that would go with it. But I didn't want too much going on because I've got a lot going on here with the pumpkins and the runner. So I saw this pumpkin at Home Goods and I just knew this was absolutely perfect to go with the beige and still have a little bit of shimmer going on. So I hope you love the way that looked, how it turned out. Now, as you can see, the gold plates and the silver plate. So basically what I did, I just alternated. Have the smaller plate in the rose gold and the larger plate, the entree plate, I have in the silver and gold. So I just combined them and I love the contrast of both of them. I think that is fantastic. Okay guys, I hope you like the way that this centerpiece and the place setting that I used to create this tablescape. I hope you like the way it turned out. If you do, give me a thumbs up and share the video with your family and friends. I truly appreciate your time, your comment, and your support.